So for today's topic, I'm gonna talk about what is basic and SEF in real property tax. So under the Republic Act number 7160 or the Local Government Code of 1991, a province or city or a municipality within the metropolitan Manila area may levy and collect an annual tax of 1% on the assessed value of real property in addition to the basic real property tax. So I'm gonna show you one problem. A property with an assessed value of 1 million, basic and SEF tax rate is at 1%. So case 1, establish the basic tax, SEF tax, and the total tax due of the property. So here is how we're gonna compute the basic tax due. So we're gonna use the formula, the assessed value multiplied by the basic tax rate, which is 1%, minus the discount plus interest. So since there is no discount and interest mentioned, so we're gonna multiply directly 1 million to 1%, which comes up to the basic tax due of 10,000 pesos. And for the SEF tax due, we're gonna use this same formula, which is 1 million, which is 1% also. So we're gonna multiply 1 million times 1% directly, which comes up to the SAF tax due of 10,000 pesos. And for the last one, how are we gonna compute the total tax due? So we're gonna use the formula basic tax rate plus SEF tax rate. So since earlier we computed the basic tax due which is 10,000 pesos and the SEF tax due is also 10,000 pesos. So in this case, we're gonna add up the two amount, which is the basic tax rate, which is 10,000 pesos, and the SEF tax rate, which is also 10,000 pesos. So this is our final answer for total tax due, which is 20,000 pesos.